good afternoon. I hope you guys are doing well and welcome back to channel Gorkhali Sisters. Those who are new, thank you for watching. म चाहिँ आज एयरपोर्ट स्ट्यान्ड बाई ड्युटी गर्नको लागि जाँदैछु एयरपोर्ट. एयरपोर्ट स्ट्यान्ड बाई भनेको चाहिँ के हो भने if any crew members, if they fall sick on board and if they report sick, है हामी स्ट्यान्ड बाई ड्युटी गर्ने क्रूहरूलाई चाहिँ they pull us out to operate her flight भनौँ न. And if any crew members, if they won't be able to report on time for their duty, then again we might get utilized to operate her flight. So my standby duty will start from 1230 hours till 1830 hours. 12:30 देखिको till 6:30 सम्म भनौँ न. So within that time I may get pulled out, I may not even, but even if I get pulled out, I don't mind to operate flight because I'm ready. And once I reach airport, I won't be able to film because I'll be on duty. So after I'm done with my duty, I will see you guys घर फर्किँदाखेरि. अनि घर पुगेर चाहिँ म र नाना चाहिँ मुकबाङ गर्नेछु. घर पुगेर I will help her out to prepare meals and all. So yeah, मुकबाङ गर्नेछ हामी and then we will chit chat with you guys. So till then stay tuned. यो चाहिँ एयरपोर्ट जाने बाटो हो. वेदर एकदम प्लेजेन्ट भएको छ अहिले हैदराबादको. मार्च अप्रिल मे टिल जुन फर्स्ट विकसम्म चाहिँ विल बी एक्सट्रिम हट. अनि जुनदेखिको चाहिँ वेदर विल बी भेरी प्लेजेन्ट. अनि if you want to come to Hyderabad, if you're planning to visit Hyderabad, this is the best time. दार्जिलिङमा जब अक्टोबरहरूको टाइममा कस्तो प्लेजेन्ट वेदर भइरहेको हुन्छ नि, दसैँ दिवालीको टाइममा, दसैँको टाइममा भनौँ न, इट विल बी एक्ज्याक्ट लाइक द्याट ओन्ली. हैदराबादको वेदर पनि भेरी प्लेजेन्ट एन्ड नाइस. पानी परिरहेको हुन्छ तर दार्जिलिङहरूको जतिकै हेभी रेनफल चाहिँ हुँदैन. कतिजना मान्छे हाम्रो माथिको मान्छेहरू चाहिँ ट्रिटमेन्टहरूको लागि हैदराबाद आउँछ नि त. अनि दिस इज द बेस्ट टाइम टु भिजिट हैदराबाद. तपाईँलाई गरम हुँदैन, एकदम राम्रो हुन्छ वेदर. एयरपोर्टको चाहिँ यस्तो छ जाने बाटो. आई विल रिच एयरपोर्ट इन नेक्स्ट 3 minutes भनौँ न. आई हेभ अलमोस्ट रिच्ड. सर इधर हाई बोलो ना ब्लॉग में. हाई बोलो ना. सर इज ड्रॉपिंग मी टू एयरपोर्ट. आपका भी ड्यूटी खत्म होने वाला है सर.
4 बजे.
4 बजे.
Yes.
अभी where are you going next now? You have any pickup or you have to drop someone? हाँ.
Yeah, I need to drop.
Okay. The airport, Rajiv Gandhi International Airport, Hyderabad. Departures ma pugemo. Bye sir, thank you.
Bye.
Departures ma jadaisu. This is how airport looks like. Empty. अहिले lockdown ले गर्दाखेरि. आएपछि चाहिँ हाम्रो चाहिँ टेम्परेचर चेक गरिदिन्छ. आपका मशीन दिखा दो सर. मेरो टेम्परेचर इज नर्मल 93 रहेछ मेरो टेम्परेचर. यो चाहिँ हाम्रो स्टाफहरूको एन्ट्री गेट हो, गेट नम्बर 3. यहाँबाट चाहिँ यो तल चाहिँ अराइभल्स हो. इट्स अ बिग एयरपोर्ट. यसको उतापट्टि चाहिँ इन्टरनेसनल डिपार्चर्सहरू छ. I've entered inside the airport. Now I will head towards my office. So this the thing that you are seeing, Karachi Bakery. This is the famous bakery in Hyderabad. And these are the counters of different airlines. So those machines, from there you can take out your tickets by yourself. You need not have to go to the counters. यहाँबाट चाहिँ मेरो अफिस जानुपर्छ. Hi guys, my standby just got over. Guess what? I did not get pulled out. So म चाहिँ अब घर जान्छु भन्दाखेरि पनि before I leave for home, I will first go to Ratnadip to pick up few eatable stuff and then I will leave. Ratnadip चाहिँ यही एयरपोर्टमै छ. I will show you around if they allow me to film. If not, I will see you guys after I board the cab. Here I am at Ratnadip. That's my bag. Yo Ratnadip चाहिँ it is in arrivals भनौँ न, arrivalsबाट ओह्रालो आउनुपर्छ and then yeah, you come here. You can buy vegetables, you can buy eatables, everything here. So let's get inside. Let's go inside and see what's there. Let's check. Now I've reached the parking. This is my cab. That's my bag. This is the weather. Now I'm gonna leave for home. See you guys after I reach home. Okay guys, I just got freshened up. I drank coffee. थाकी चाहिँ राख्छु र पनि अघि नै भने हामी मुकबाङ च्यालेन्ज गर्छु भनेर. हाम्रो आजको मुकबाङमा चाहिँ के छ भने we've got rice and then dal which we've already prepared and then chicken wings which I'm gonna fry now. We've already marinated. यसलाई चाहिँ हामीले we marinated for marinate गरेर चाहिँ we kept it for like 7 to 8 hours अनि now we're gonna fry it. यसलाई चाहिँ फर्स्टमा के गर्छु भने I will fry it but not deep wala fry and then after that your batter kind of thing ma chai I will deep it and then I will refry it again alik deep garchu. Your batter चाहिँ कसरी बनाउँछ भने we have to add some maida. तपाईको त्यो wings को quantity हेरेर maida add गर्नुहोस् and then after that chili powder and then after that salt, water and then make a batter like this. लम्पहरु चाहिँ हुनु हुँदैन. यो batter मा यसरी dip गरेर फ्राई गर्दाखेरि चाहिँ के हुन्छ भने chicken like crunchy बनाउँछ क्या. हाम्रो is चाहिँ धुवा हुँदैछ. So it is already hot and ready for the chickens to be dipped. Whenever you fry something, always low heat गर्नुहोस्. And she will just wrap it randomly like that. कम्ती just wrap it, dip it. And then just put it, be careful. Just put the chickens inside the oil. Like भावना चाहिँ भाग्दै बनाउँदैछ. के हुन्छ अरे पर्किन्छ. So like this, अनि second process. And now we are cooking this for good 15 minutes. See, low flame ma. Hamro second batch of chicken is already frying. You just voice it yo. This stage, the chicken is not crispy at this stage. It's just cooked inside and out, right? Like we said again, you refry it again. Let's settle on the day. फेरि त्यो ब्याटरमा डिप गरेर and then you just coat it with the breadcrumbs. Okay, and then again in low to medium heat you again fry the chicken. तब चाहिँ तपाईको chicken हुन्छ crispy. But at some point of a time हैन तपाईलाई कोही गेस्ट आउँदैछ अरे and you really want to serve them like hot chicken, राखिदिनुस् यसरी. Then again follow the second process. So if you like it, please do comment down. Man paryo bhanera. So यो चाहिँ हो, this is the second process, है. यो already fried लाई चाहिँ we again dip it in this consistency जो बनाएको थियो batter with that के पो मैदा, and then you wrap it around the breadcrumbs. त्यसरी क्या. यसमा चाहिँ हालेर we put this, we just dip it is because it just catches the breadcrumbs properly, yeah, like this. And then again you fry it in a low heat.
Vishaka, she's a great cook, guys. If you guys don't know.
Like this. You wrap it.
Hey, who taught you cooking, Vishaka?
My grandmother and my mom. My grandmother, मेरो बोजू पनि, she's a great cook. And then my mom. मेरो मम्मीले पकाएको खाना चाहिँ एकदमै, I don't know, she maybe आमाले पकाएको खाना त सबैलाई मिठै लाग्छ नि त पुरा. मलाई चाहिँ तर एकदमै मिठो लाग्छ. She cooks with that. तो मेहनत गरेर पकाउनुहुन्छ कि म चाहिँ अलिक अल्छी छु.
She takes around like 2 hours, 3 hours.
Like slow motion मा पकाइदिनुहुन्छ कि मम्मीले, तर she cooks like.
Mom is no doubt, she's a great cook.
त्यो सबैजनाको आमा होला है. Whatever our momsले पकाउनु भएको खाना चाहिँ when you are away from home, है, घरबाट टाढो हुँदा चाहिँ you miss it so badly.
अन्त मम्मीको चाहिँ एउटा युनिक चीज चाहिँ के छ भने उसको आफ्नै रेसिपी हुन्छ.
Yeah. And that's awesome भनेको जस्तो.
Yeah.
अन्त she only taught me.
मुमाले चाहिँ remember
she taught
Vishaka.
me initial stage मा क्या.
Yeah.
Because मम्मीले मलाई पोस्नु दिनुहुन्थेन नि त.
जब चाहिँ त्यो केटी आई मिन लाइक सानो नानीहरूलाई चाहिँ किचनतिर पस्नु इच्छा लाग्छ त्यतिखेर चाहिँ मुमाले
Muma really used to let me do everything in the kitchen. Muma भन्दा
not just you, okay, even
Bhavna चाहिँ she was a total boy. She didn't like kitchen को. She never played kitchen set. उसको चाहिँ गन थियो, के पो
car,
गाडी, and then this pistols and everything. उसले चाहिँ यस्तो खेल्थ्यो. तर म चाहिँ
that
I used to
even
play.
wrestling cards.
Yeah, ऊ चाहिँ एकदम टोटल. And मम्मी र पापाले भावनालाई दसैँमा लुगाहरू पनि त्यस्तै किनिदिन्थ्यो केटा जस्तो.
Please la, Vishaka, stop it. This one no, ऊ चाहिँ कस्तो थियो भने नि Vishaka चाहिँ she was total girlish खालके क्या.
Yeah, and now also I'm like that.
Please, now you're a boy.
No.
अहिले चाहिँ Vishaka total म जस्तो भएको छ.
This is already cooked right now, so सबैलाई चाहिँ I'm just frying it like this.
मेरो त फ्रेन्ड्सहरू पनि त त्यस्तै थियो, all tomboy types.
Yeah. All boys, उसको साथीहरू.
मेरो साथीहरू इभन के अरे केटी साथीहरू पनि tomboy types.
So you wrap it
श्रीजु,
like this.
मनिषाहरू. मेरो उता दार्जिलिङको घरको साथीहरू दिनामित, रिग्जेन, मेरो ग्याङहरू उनीहरू चाहिँ है.
Okay, once this is done, we'll just show you the end product. अलिक राति पनि भइसक्यो, भोक पनि लागिसक्यो. भावना जुन फ्लाइटबाट आएको हो.
Not from flight.
Sorry, standby
Airport
airport
duty.
airport airport. So we'll just eat and then show you. And so this is our chicken, crispy chicken, Bhavna ko favorite. यो चाहिँ हो हाम्रो मुसुरीको दाल, यो चाहिँ हो धनियाको अचार, यो चाहिँ मम्मीले प्याक गरिदिनु भएको के पो मुला र मुला मटर अनि डल्ले खुर्सानी. And yeah, this is the salad. That is it. So,
Simple food.
हामी चाहिँ अब mukbang गर्छौँ. Hi guys. So our food is cooked, right?
Yeah.
हाम्रो खाना पाक्यो, chicken
Served पनि भयो.
Yes. So we are having dinner today. आज चाहिँ हामीले भात खाएको. Usually हामी राति भात खाँदैन, तर भोलि चाहिँ tomorrow is me and Bhavna's fast. So आज चाहिँ हामीले भात खाँदैछ heavy. So let's start, हैन? Twist चाहिँ के छ भन्दैन आजको मुकबाङ.
Twist चाहिँ म्यामको आइडिया हो that we will have our meal with left hand. I don't know how to do this.
So let's
We've
start.
never had our food with left hand before.
So
Trying it
आज
for the
कुछ
first
तूफानी
time.
करते हैं. You need some more dal.
Yeah, no.
Put a little, no?
Yeah,
Okay. This is the dal.
Let me have lemon.
Chicken.
Mm.
This
is
is
Lulo.
love.
I'll just have one.
This is mine.
Bhavna, which chicken is fried chicken is favorite.
Yeah. Fried
So-
chicken, fish.
We're starting, I know.
Yeah.
Without further ado, let's start. Oh my god, your हातले खाना कस्तो गाह्रो.
It's the
So
one
difficult.
what do you
Balls
call it?
बनाउनु क्या यसरी. Yeah.
Yeah.
So यो चाहिँ हो
मुछ्नु.
हाम्रो के पो धनियाको अचार with टमाटर, डल्ले खुर्सानी and coriander हो. अनि this is मम्मीले बनाउनु भएको मुला and बटर अनि डल्ले खुर्सानीको अचार. यो देख्दा चाहिँ कतिजनालाई घरको याद आयो होला है.
अस्ति लास्ट टाइम तिमीले बनाइदिएको लन्च खाँदाखेरि मैले आई गट लट कमेन्ट्स कि खानु मन पर्यो भनेर. That's why.
Come a little front. Oh my god, it's so difficult यसरी खानु. एकचोटि तपाईहरुले पनि ट्राई गर्नुस् ल. How you feel?
Yeah. Comment down below. God. This is too difficult, but it's a task रहेछ है हाम्रो left hand ले खानु.
Because your hands don't work. Eating with this hands is like a muscle memory हैन. तर यसले खाँदाखेरि when you have to like mash it and make a ball and put it inside your mouth.
Usually हामी we don't use left hand नि त है.
चिकन ट्राई गर्दा कस्तो भयो?
The best.
वल्ला.
Awesome.
वल्ला हबिबी.
Habibi नै हो यो. Marinate किसने किया?
उसी ने किया है.
Arjun cheat me. Night में तो हमें खाने पनि नहीं. Usually we don't eat dinner. Especially these people. म तो light भए खान्छु. Oats and all.
तपाईहरुले त हाम्रो यो भिडियो हेर्दा I think you will be done with the dinner. But comment down if you also felt like having rice and dal at night, eh? With achar.
घरको मान्छेले मार्लाई. Try. हाम्रो मम्मी र पापा तर्सिनु हुन्छ होला.
I love you, mommy, for this.
Hey, by the way, last I think in yesterday's vlog, that comment was for me. She had stated that cabin crew was this a dream or what is it? But she had stated, क्या? तर name I don't remember. Oh, Boyni होला, Boyni. So if you're watching this, तिमीलाई म भनिदिन्छु कि मेरो चाहिँ I don't know what to say if मेरो यो dream हो कि के हो भनेर. So when
Your job, this job.
Yeah.
Okay.
So when I was small, like I was around like 6-7 years old that time, my aunt, elder aunt, papa ko didi, मेरो ठुलो फुपू, पूर्णिमा फुपू, she used to tell me that our सानो kid को मा दिमागमा हाल्दिँदाखेरि यो सिक त्यो सिक भनेपछि त सिक्छ नि त. So she used to tell me like if someone will ask you what is the dream भन्दाखेरि चाहिँ tell them that you want to become an air hostess भनेर भन्नुहुन्थ्यो क्या फुपूले. And I didn't know air hostess भनेको के हो भनेर अब सानो नानीलाई भन्दाखेरि ओके ओके भनेर ल भन्थ्यो हैन. अन्त स्कुलतिर सोध्दाखेरि what is your dream भन्दाखेरि I used to say that क्या I want to become an air hostess भनेर. But I never knew air hostess भनेको के हो भनेर. अन्त त्यसपछि क्लास 11-12 मा चाहिँ मेरो क्लास टिचर हुनुहुन्थ्यो सबिता म्याम. Even she used to tell me that तिमीले चाहिँ क्लास 12 कम्प्लिट गरिसकेर चाहिँ join aviation, become a cabin crew भन्नुहुन्थ्यो क्या. And I used to wonder like किन मलाई यस्तो भनेको होला, but I never questioned her why are you telling me this भनेर. So maybe मेरो टिचरले भनेर होला, मेरो फुपूले भन्नुभयो होला. अहिले now I've become a crew. Right?
What was your dream job?
my dream job. मेरो पुरा चेन्ज भइरहन्थ्यो क्या. At once, I thought of joining an Indian Army. Indian Army join गर्नु मन परेको थियो. फेरि माइन्ड चेन्ज भयो. त्यही हो. अहिले क्रू भइरहेको छु, but then I'm happy.
That's nice. Oh my god, so
What
yummy.
was your dream?
You know that?
Tell them no. They might ask you.
This cabin crew was never my dream job, right? My parents always want me to become a doctor or a nurse because मेरो उयो पनि त्यही थियो. I studied on that field only, होइन? And I always wanted to become a child specialist. And when I was in like 11, 12 college, मा जहिले पनि अब come in front and talk about yourself भन्दा चाहिँ I always used to say कि I want to become a child specialist भनेर. तर this was my destiny. This was what I was meant to do. I'm happy, but at some point I feel
I should have.
Yeah, I should have persuaded that career as well. तर भन्छ नि destiny.
Fate and destiny.
Yeah, I'm not sad that my parents wanted me to become that, but I could not. However, they are happy. This job has made me very independent financially and emotionally or physically. I'm like, I'm at a very good state at present. So I'm happy. But yeah, sometimes I feel त्यो गरेको भए पनि सायद म गर्न सक्थ्यो होला भनेर चाहिँ I feel. But my dream job was not to become a crew.
And she was very good in studies, very hardworking. मलाई पढेको थाहा भइहाल्थ्यो नि त. She was pretty smart kid हुन्छ नि, bright kid भनौँ न. सानैदेखिको. म चाहिँ I was careless. I wasn't hardworking. खेल्नु भनेपछि म चाहिँ I was in that only खेल्नुमा. म चाहिँ पढ्नु त मलाई यस्तो अल्छी लाग्थ्यो.
भावना पढ्नु बस्दाखेरि सानोमा के मम्मीले पढ्नु राख्थ्यो नि त.
कति कुरा खान्थेँ मैले त.
नपढेर बाहिर चराहरू उडेको हेरिरहने, कसले बोलाउँदैछ भनेको सुनिराख्ने. She was like that हुन्छ नि.
Very त्यो कस्तो खालको kid भन्नु.
You were clumsy kid.
Please, okay. Chulchule nani.
Chukchuke.
Yeah, chukchuke I was never interested. Porn or am I?
Bhavna, you have this chicken now because tomorrow we can't have Sunday. And Monday I don't
You
eat on
think
Monday.
that I'm gonna have?
Not all, but at least one.
Even you should have it, no?
I can't have. I'll just have dal and bhat.
So clever, right?
दाल र भात पनि बेसी भयो मलाई.
सानैदेखि she was kawa.
त्यस्तै हो म त. हामी यस्तै त हो नि ब्रो हैन.
She still is.
ए अनि तपाईहरुले बिचारा हामीले त्यो क्या अनिल कपूर दाजुको बारेमा भनेको थियो नि. अनिल कपूर दाजु बिचारा खस्नु भएछ है. I was not aware about that. Yeah. Thank you so much comment मा हामीलाई भन्दैन दिनेश भनेर. बिचारा
त्यसको चाहिँ के होला है नाम? That guy.
आलु मिमी खाइदियो. उ पनि खस्यो.
मनिषालाई मन पर्यो.
उ पनि खस्यो. उलाई उसको नाम दिनेश भनेको के अनिल कपूरको भने. I think अनिल कपूरको नाम भन्नु भएको होला.
By the way guys, म अघि एयरपोर्टमा हुँदाखेरि मैले भनेको थिएँ कि म रत्नदीपमा गएर इफ पोसिबल म फिल्म गर्छु भनेर, बट देन दे डिड नट अलाउ मी.
Why?
I don't know. When I was talking to you नि फोनमा त्यतिखेर शपिङ गर्दाखेरि they thought that I was
filming.
Yeah. I told them that you can check my phone. भनेर भने. I know you don't allow anybody to film here. I got it. So why are you after me भन्दै मैले त. I don't know why they don't allow. नभए तपाईँहरूलाई म देखाइदिन्छु नि एयरपोर्टको. यहाँ हाम्रो जस्तै छ.
Oh my god, I'm full. But the food was so nice. मम्मीले पकाएको जस्तो घरमा.
That's what I was.
तर मम्मीले पकाएको जस्तो चाहिँ हुँदैन. But still just a little close to that. Everybody misses घरको खाना है.
यो त आज त मलाई त पक्का घरको खाना जस्तो खाएको लाग्दैछ. But
I'll have this डल्ले
यसले खाँदाखेरि चाहिँ with left hand
It's so difficult. तपाईँहरूले पनि try गर्नुहोस् है तपाईँको सिब्लिङ पेरेन्ट्सहरूसँग sometimes when you have dinner together
घरबाट निकाल्दैलाई if you try घरको मान्छेको छेउमा what are you doing भनेर फेरि आइदिरहेको है
भावना
inspired
पनि
by
use मैले खाना खाइसक्नु आँटेँ
inspired by गोर्खाली
She's so ढिली वै आम्बो बुढी यत्रो भयो
भनिरहेको है inspired
Lord
by
Jesus.
गोर्खाली sisters भनेर लेफ्ट ह्यान्डले खानु
अब त I can't eat. The food was so
तारै
tasty है
खान्छु।
तर
विशाखा तैँले त प्र्याङ्कहरू गर्नुहरू त सोचेको छैन सबै
गर्दैन एभ्री डे प्लान्क आर यु म्याड or what? तपाईँहरूले अनि सो मच
People
लभ
are like, I'm very panicky है I'm not
कमेन्ट्सहरू गर्नुभएको थ्याङ्क यू सो मच लभेबल अन्तखेरि
I've shown so much of love
या
till now.
टिल डेट थ्याङ्क यू सो मच स्पेसली के पो भन्दै थियौँ मैले अहिले चाहिँ हाम्रो नेगेटिभ कमेन्ट्सहरू आएको छैन
Yeah.
So thank you so much guys for always supporting us and loving us. Keep us loving like this. हामी यसरी नै we'll try and get contents like this which will entertain you all हैन अरु त के हो त्यही हो let's stay happy positive healthy
Let's stay safe.
let's eat dal bhat dal bhat power is no more better than anything
Be safe. Stay at home.
यो चाहिँ के हो
Follow all the COVID guidelines, right?
this is
That's
jackfruit jackfruit पनि हाल्नु भएको थिएछ
This is
Yeah.
good, no? But
very nice I don't know how she ferments this I'll take one day my mother ko your recipe mommy ko recipe she makes it wallahi habebe
oh God, we forgot to get that thing. Tamarind.
ए
Pickle.
मैले तित्रीको अचार बनाएको छु खानै बिर्सेछु भयो
यसले त खानै सकेन हौ
अर्को हातले खा I have one भावना I already you have to wash all the dishes now
I
can't
know
do
that.
हात चाहिँ यस्तो डर्टी हुँदो रहेछ It's like we have eaten it in a very messy way. Don't judge us because we are eating with our left hands. हुन्छ नि जज चाहिँ नगरिदिनुहोस् अरू त के भन्नु
काउन्टिङ मैले कतिवटा चिकन
भावनाले कतिवटा चिकन काउन्ट गरेर भन्नु
I'm hungry. I'm hungry किनकि एयरपोर्टमा
And she likes non-veg. हामी भन्दा बेसी चाहिँ she prefers non-veg. म चाहिँ I don't like much of non-vegetarian but भावना loves non-vegetarian.
Fried chicken, fried fish, I'm always up.
Not me.
You wanna drink?
No. Well, let's end the video, होइन त्यसो भए You wanna talk more? हेर को खाएको
Why are you laughing at me?
कति खाएको कोक
So what?
Okay guys, so this was it for today.
Yeah.
Today we are so sorry for uploading the video quite late because we got a little late
Yeah.
cooking and filming and everything.
And then I had to come back from airport, right?
So please do like, share and subscribe to our channel Gorkhali Sisters. Much love from Vishaka,
Bhavna,
Nikita.
Natasha.
Bye bye. Stay
Bye-bye.
tuned.
See ya.